Aquatic invasive species. An aquatic invasive species is a species of plant or wildlife that live where they are not supposed to. When it comes to boating, your boat sits in the water. It can also have water in the bilge. When you travel from lake to lake or river to river, you can carry these life forms with you. Plants can take over rivers and lakes, making it difficult to navigate. They can also ruin fishing areas and decimate the native species.
Did you know that the quagga mussel was not even discovered west of the continental divide, the United States, until 2007? And by 2009, it was clogging the Hoover Dam's cooling pipes? Most likely, it was a stowaway in the bilge water of a boat from the Midwestern US that was brought to Lake Mead near Las Vegas. In a matter of months, the mussels took over as they lay eggs 6 or 7 times a year in the warm waters compared to 1 or 2 times a year in the Great Lakes region. Be sure to properly clean and dry your equipment and boat before heading out to a new destination. This will help reduce the spread. Before you go out boating, check your boat and don't forget to check the trailer too as it goes in and out of the water. Remove any plants, animals, mud, and other debris. Drain any water that was accumulated from the bilge and motor. When you're done boating, do the same steps and dry all your equipment. Many states have additional requirements. These can be inspections that look for aquatic invasive species. Remove the drain plug and keep it removed while traveling. Some locations require minimum drying times before you can put the boat back in the water somewhere else. If you receive an inspection, you'll also receive documentation. Keep this with you, as law enforcement may request it later on. Documentation will also notify you of any required drying times that are required. Environmental protection. It's also important to be aware of the environmental impact that sewage and trash can have on our waters. Follow all local guidelines in the proper disposal of your boat's sewage and trash. Keep a trash bin or bag on board and properly dispose of your trash when back on shore. If you have a spill of oil, gasoline, or other hazardous substance, notify the U.S. Coast Guard or local authorities as soon as possible. If your boat has a toilet, make sure to use designated waste sites for sewage. Respect the wildlife that also uses the waterways. Don't harass birds or other animals that may be near the shore. If you come across an injured animal, notify the local wildlife authority department or agency.